hour and a half in, still really comfortable. I'd say even for 25 liters, get the hip belt. Setting it down. Above the clouds. I will say, if you have to get stuff quickly from the side pocket or the front pocket, that's both sides, put it on the right side. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. It's back again. Today we're gonna do a little hike and do like a little review of this beautiful pack. Big Design Outdoor 25. I have it with the hip belt this morning. Okay, we're gonna do a little hike and then I'll walk you through what's in here. I have a little water bottle, 25-ounce Owala, Peak Design carbon fiber, hoodie, pants, just in case. And a medium cube. Let's do it. Okay, so as you can see, nice little pockets here, and go down. The hip belt. It's pretty comfortable. Let's see. The back is nice. By the way, it's like 6:30 in the morning. Sun's not even up. But I don't want to hike with this trail gets really crowded, so I want it to be the first one. Been so comfy so far. I mean, hasn't been long. Was it a race? Probably. I think one thing I would say is, if you want to get your water bottle out, I have to take the whole pack off because the Owala 24 it's fully into the side pocket. You can't just reach and get it. So I guess if you're actually taking this for outdoor activities, either have the tube coming from the back laptop compartment, or I don't know, figure something else out, because getting water out of here with the hip belt on and the sternum straps, it's a lot of work. I'll put on pants. Yeah. The sun is up. I'm above the clouds, y'all. Okay, about an hour and a half in. Sun is fully up. Still really comfortable. I'd say even for 25 liters, get the hip belt if you can get it. That takes the load off of the shoulders so much. Really nice. So yeah, and I'm finding myself not put the phone in this pocket, because like my John G pants, one hand operation. All right, let's carry on. Gotta keep moving. Wow, it's like a gate. I will enter. Thank you. About almost 2 hours in. Still very comfy. Again, get the headbelt. I will say, if you have to get stuff quickly from the side pocket or the front pocket, that's both sides, put it on the right side. Because this sternum strap, or I guess where your sternum straps are connected, because this bag dangles so much, so it's like you'll hit it when you try to like wrap it around your arm. Okay, 2.5 hours in. Backpack's still fine. I gotta fix the sternum strap. The straps are kind of digging. Did it 2 hours and 55 minutes, 7.5 miles. I'm gonna get some coffee, drive back home, and take a fat nap. Secured the goods, motherfucker. Oh. 3 hours passed. Okay, just came back. I put something down because it's gross, and I'm getting a little microfiber towel to show you how easily the dirt comes off. You can see the front. It's very dirty, but I just wet the microfiber towel. Comes right off. Even on the meshy part too. So, there we go. Good as new. Hot take. I love the fact that you have to flip it to open the backpack, because I don't want this to get gross. Did you see the amount of dirt I had on here? Imagine putting this down. This is what I packed for this hike, by the way, just to test it out. I think I showed it during the hike, but I carried I think it's a medium camera cube, have my X106, some things. I just wanted to test it out and see how they felt. An Owala 24, and I had Peak Design carbon fiber. I was gonna try to use this with the X106, but I realized I didn't put a plate down there, so couldn't connect. The tripod was like getting stuck. Oh, it's fine now. Because also I wanted to hook this gear strap around it, and you can cinch it down so that it stays, I guess. But yeah, it was actually kind of nice. Not too heavy. Speaking of heavy, let's test out the weight of this. Okay. This was, stop moving, 11.7 pounds, which is 5.75 kilos. Not too bad of a carry. I mean, I guess if you're actually hiking, you'll have more stuff. What else do I have to say about this backpack? I have to lower this sternum strap, and it's pretty easy to do once you have a place to do it. So like when you're out on the trail, you probably don't have time or place to set it down. I mean, maybe you can find like a little picnic table to do it, but it's very easy. You just undo this undo this loop. It's just my hand coordination is terrible. And then I'm gonna do one down. So you just loop it through. Come on. And then you loop that hook thingy through. Then pull tight. And then done. And the optional hip belt, really nice for the if you're gonna wear this and actually walk for a long time, pretty nice. The real test will be the 45 liter, which I also have, because yeah, this was good, but you know, that's a big boy. So that's gonna be a good test. But that one has a load lifter and like you can adjust the straps. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, talking about the hip belt, it's not very easy to put on and take off. So there's a little, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little hook there. Taking it off is kind of easier because you just have to push it towards the middle of the pack and then it'll come off. As I said, that didn't come up. There we go, it comes off. But you see, like this, you have to find this little, I should probably take the stuff out. You see that little thing? You have to locate it, go past it, and then just pull towards it so that it fits in there. And you'll hear the sound like this. Boom. Okay, let's take it off for now. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave it. 3 hours I walked with this today. I just got back. I think one comment I'll have is, I think I mentioned this on the trail, but have things that you want to access quickly on this side. Well, wherever you have your sternum straps hooked, because it's easier to take this strap off that doesn't have anything and then swing it around and get it and then put this back on, rather than taking this off. You see all this dangle? And then you access here, and then you try to put this on, this thing gets caught in your, I have a watch, it got caught on my watch, it got caught on my ring. It's just annoying. So that's one tip I think I would give. And if you're hiking and you need water, I suggest using the water reservoir, because constantly, like, I didn't want to drink water because I have to take this off, take these off, and these are not the easiest things to put on and off. I mean, I'm sure you've seen it in other reviews, but like, I'm missing it. I'm doing it without even the pack on, and I'm missing it. And then you gotta tighten that. So, and then you twist, it comes right off. But anyways, that's one tip I would give. Two tips. If you wanna have things like snacks or whatever, have it on this side, or even this hip belt here, because of this dangle. If you try to get on this side and you have to swing this around, like, just so floppy. And I think only thing was that this is so like stiff, not so stiff, but it's stiffer. So like it was kind of digging into my neck, or like this fabric was kind of like rubbing. I think that's gonna be a test on the 45 liters, because if you're carrying that 45 liters, you're walking or hiking for like 5+ hours, so it needs to support that. We'll see. The other tip I have, I think it was on Pack, somebody was complaining that this is not intuitive, because they thought that it's a two-hand operation. They're like, I need to hold this and then pull. No, dude, if you like actually use the bag, you know that you don't pull it towards down because the flap goes up. You pull it up. You see how it squeezes? And then you're done. Like I had the snacks on this side, which I didn't like. I'm gonna have it on this side next time. Or I kind of see why they're pushing like the slings hooking in the front, because that's an easier access. Last thing I'll say, people are probably worried about the scuffs. I mean, you can definitely see there's a scuff here. There's a scuff here, but I love this fabric here. It's easily, you can clean, you can wipe stuff off. So, okay, one thing about the hip belt, I don't like this belt buckle, honestly. It doesn't have like a satisfying click. Yeah, it does right now, but when I wear it, I kind of like have it like this because it's tight, so it kind of comes off easily. I wish it was like just like a regular buckle. This one is stretchy mesh, which I loved. I was putting my pocket 3 in there, and I think this also you can use a clip, capture clip. This one is a zipper, which is nice. Has stuff in there. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this style of video. If you did, please subscribe, leave comments if anything was helpful for you. Okay, bye.